All right, guys, this is King of Updates. Holland Dove, Onye Japa. If you are coming across my video for the very first time, please do me fit to like, follow our channel, and share. All right, what my duty is to bring updates for you. I got another important update for you about Spain. All right, I've been making this research for a very long time, but now I've concluded it and decided to bring it for you guys. If you can remember, in some of my videos, I used to tell you guys that if you want to travel to abroad and start work immediately, look for those countries that has job seekers visa opportunity. All right, so if you travel through these countries, you don't have to stress yourself. As long as you have all it takes, the requirements for you to apply for these job seekers, you don't need anything to stress about again. Now, I've concluded my research about Spain, which most of you want to travel to Spain. All right, now Spain has opened their door also for people who want to travel through job seekers opportunity. All right, now you can apply for job seekers visa to Spain, but there are some requirements that are attached to it. If you can be able to meet up the requirements, definitely you can be able to travel to Spain and stay for 12 months while looking for a job. All right, this one, you do not need agents to apply it for you. You do not need anyone to apply it for you. You don't need a job opportunity before you can travel to there. You don't need employment letter before you can travel to Spain. Anything that has to do with job seekers visa, you do not need employment letter. Do you understand? Before you can travel to that country. But Spain opened this door to give people opportunity to come to Spain and work. If you can remember also, in one of my videos, I've been saying that Spain need about 3,500 people in order to come into their country. Only this year, 2025. We don't know about next year, how they are going to reduce it or increase it. All right. But only this year, they said they need 3,500 people. They want to welcome 3,500 people. All right. Now, and that lets them joining the job seekers, joining among the job seekers country right here in Europe. Okay. Like I initially said, there are some requirements that are attached to it. So if you meet up the requirements, definitely you will be granted the visa to come into the country, then look for a job within the space of 12 months. If you can be able to get a job, then they will give you a resident permit that will allow you to stay in the country and work. All right. What are the requirements that are attached to it? Now, you need to have a minimum of 7,500 euros in your account to show that you can be able to take care of yourself within that period of time that you'll be looking for a job. You need to prove to them that you have sufficient fund. That is POF, proof of fund, to show that you can take care of your accommodation. You will not depend on their own resources. Okay. Now, you also need an address to show that you have a place that you will be staying when you come to Spain. It's very much important. I think they have 3 requirements, what they need you to have. Which one of them is having sufficient proof of fund up to 7,500. But I will tell you, if you also have up to 9,000 euros, I'm talking about 9,000 in euro, not in naira. I'm talking about if you can be able to borrow that. They just want to see that in your account. All right. They want to see that in your account to make sure that you have sufficient proof to take care of yourself within this period that you will be looking for a job. If you are a professional or you are maybe a handmade personnel, or whatever that is your profession, that you want to come to Spain and look for a job, automatically you need to show them that 7,500 euros in your account and the proof of accommodation. All right, which is very much important. So if you have this, automatically they can look into it and then grant you the opportunity to come to Spain and look for a job. All right, so this one, you can make use of this opportunity to come to Spain. Spain is another place that doesn't have problem for you. The only thing with Spain is that their payment range is a little bit down, but not so down that you cannot manage. All right. So Spain is another place that will give you opportunity to stay in Europe. Spain is not a bad place. Spain is a very nice country that you can live and enjoy. All right. Please don't forget to like and share. And for those who are living already in Europe here, I will also make another video where I will explain how you can get document if you move to Spain. If you're already staying here in Europe and you don't have document, I will make another video telling you how you can move to Spain and acquire, because some people have been asking what are the procedures for them to acquire document for them that has been living here in Europe. All right, I will make a video for that, explaining to you how you can go about that. I think that should be a very short video explaining to you how it operates in Spain. All right, I'll just give you a brief tip, a brief answer to that. I still remember myself, King of Updates, Holland Dove Onyejapa. Don't forget to like, follow my channel, Holland Dove _01. And I will see you in my next video.